Alright guys, for those of you who didn't know, the insta360 is pretty much the only VR drone that you can equip with a insta360 camera, and that will give you amazing VR footage of the sky. Now this thing is super expensive by just normal standards, but Captain Drone has reviewed it, and if you haven't seen this video, it's definitely worth taking a look at. I'm not saying that everybody could fly this thing. It is probably an advanced craft, so I don't even know if I could fly it, but it's worth looking into if you want to shoot awesome VR footage of the sky. Anyway, unfortunately, uploading things to the cloud now or to YouTube is really difficult when it comes to VR, so you may decide not to buy this vehicle, but just thought I'd let you guys know how cool this is, and I'll see you soon.
Likey